Okay, to create random phone numbers, we just need to paste this formula. So it's random between, check the number of zeros, so the number of nines, and then click enter. And you may get this notification. You say, okay, yes, so you got one phone number, and then just drag it all the way down. Now, if you want to make it even prettier, you can do a right click and then go to format cell, and here in the number tab you click on a special and say phone number. So in this case, let's do something a little better here. So we can define this, say the 2 first would be like that, and then the next 3 dash, and then the last 4, like a phone number. And in this way we say okay, and there is how you have your phone number, your random phone number.